Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for joining in today. I'm so happy you're here, so grateful you're here today. Thank you so much. But what will be more amazing is if you consider subscribing and also turning your notification bell so that you are notified each time I post new content on here. Okay, thank you so much. As you can tell already from the title, today's video is me sharing my worst fashion mistakes that we all make, myself included, and how to fix them. So this is for plus size and it cuts across to straight sizes as well. This is generic, so many people make these mistakes, and yeah, I'm just going to be sharing a few that I have come to know about with you and hope you learned something from it. All right. My first point is, sis, stop wearing tight clothes. Stop wearing tightly fitted clothes. The type of clothes that make you look like you are suffocating, gives you a muffin top, those type of things are a no-no. This video of me right here, I styled almost the same thing, but the only difference is that I wore two different jeans. One was tight and the other one I styled with an appropriate fitted trouser that is not tight. So you can see the difference. I look more put together, I look more structured in the other one, as opposed to the one where I wore a very tight outfit. It's not flattering at all. Do not wear it. It doesn't look good on anyone. All right, if it's not your size, it's not your size. Stop struggling, stop stressing yourself putting it into that innocent dress or innocent outfit. My second point is, invest in the appropriate undergarment, be it plus size or straight size. Whatever your sizing is, whatever your body type is, please invest in the appropriate undergarment. Get the right shapewear, get your cup size, your correct cup size in terms of bras. Wear the right tummy control shapewear if that's your problem area. Wearing a shapewear doesn't mean that you're not confident enough to flaunt your body that God gave you. It just accentuates all your parts and makes everything smooth and firm. So like you can see in this video, I'm wearing my dress without a shapewear and I'm wearing it with a shapewear. You can tell the difference. My stomach area looks very smooth, it looks well structured and put together, and it gives you that confidence of, yeah, I look very good and nobody can tell me anything. So please invest in the right shapewear, invest in the right bra, invest in the right undergarment. This is a foundation for what you want to put on top of your body. Look at it like your makeup. Without foundation, even though your makeup is going to look okay, but it's not going to pop. Do you get? So foundation in terms of your body is your right shapewear, your right undergarment. All right, that's my second point. Third point I'm going to be sharing with you all is the opposite of the first one. Do not wear clothes that are too baggy. I know that so many people wear baggy clothes to conceal the fact that they have added a few pounds, but that just makes it look worse. It doesn't help you in any way. I get wearing baggy clothes on days when you don't feel the need to look structured or anything. I get that. Some days I'm like that, but I don't leave the house like that. I know that I'm just around my vicinity. But going outside with something very big, like you can see here, it doesn't do any good for my body. It just makes me look very sloppy and bigger than I actually am. If I'm going for this oversized look, I can style it very well and make it look well put together with a belt and accessorize really well. But just wearing this on its own, as opposed to what you can see on the other side, how structured I look, how well put together, how sexy I look, you can tell that it's better to accentuate your features than maxing them with big clothes like this. Flaunt the body that God gave you at any size. If you're not okay with it, you can work on it, but while you're on that journey, don't forget to flaunt what you already have. Hiding it underneath big clothes doesn't do you any good. If you're thinking of the fact that, okay, your stomach is protruding so much and you need an outfit to max that area, you can try investing in dresses that have ruchings like this one I have on here. It just gives that illusion of a flatter stomach while you have the perfect undergarment underneath. All right, the fourth point on my list is dressing for your body type. In case you're not aware by now, everybody has different body types. Some people are apple shaped, some people are pear shaped, some people are rectangular shaped. Just look for what works for your body type. Do not dress as a pear shaped when you're rectangular. It doesn't accentuate you, it doesn't make you look good. You just look like, what was she thinking? If you want me to do a video on different clothing that would fit different body types, please let me know by leaving a comment down below and giving this video a thumbs up. That will just let me know that, okay, you're in tune with this side of my content creation. So yeah, dress for your body type, conceal what you want to conceal, and accentuate what you would love others to see. For me, I like flaunting my chest area from time to time because I know that it looks really good and my décolletage area is very cute and very clear. So that's it. The fifth point for me is exploring trends. Not because you're plus size you cannot wear a wide leg jeans, or because you're plus size you cannot rock a crop top, because you're plus size you can't wear colors. Please explore trends. Do not stick to just black and black alone. I know that black is concealing, black is good, black looks good on everybody, but I don't think that your wardrobe should be made up of just black because you feel more safe in it. Go out there, wear colors, pinks, pastels, wear your wide leg jeans, wear your crop tops, wear your short dresses. Just know how to style them well. Do not keep yourself stuck in a particular fashion trend because that's what feels the most safe for you at the time. Explore trends. You never know how you will look in it if you don't try it. Okay, I've seen plus size girls rocking crop tops. I wear crop tops from time to time, but I just know how to style it in a way that it looks really chic and very classy as well. If you're uncomfortable with rocking colors, you can start with baby steps. Maybe start with a colorful top as opposed to a colorful dress, or a colorful cami inside and wear a neutral color on top of it. Just start small, and with time you get more comfortable and rock it all over. The sixth fashion mistake for me is people who wait to buy what they love because of reasons like, oh, I like this, it will not suit me now, but it will suit me when I lose that weight, and they have it in your size. Do you get? Or I love this, I need to add weight to wear this, and they still have it in your size. Don't wait to buy what you want, or don't wait to buy what you love, because most times it never happens. You never get to lose that weight, you never get to add that weight. Just buy it if you think it will fit you at the time and rock it, because the time you're using to wait, this life is short. You have just one life to live. I don't believe in loving something and my insecurities keep me from getting it. No, that's not me. And yeah, everybody should be able to strut their stuff and live their best life any way they deem fit. Do not live your life based on someone else's portrayal on how it should be. It should be based on your own terms. My seventh point is wearing what you want. For me, my insecurity for the longest time, which I shared on here, I have a video, I'll leave a link to the card somewhere up here, was sleeveless clothing. I never liked them because of my arms. I felt like my arms were the biggest in the room. I never wanted to flaunt my arms, but right now, as it stands, I can wear sleeveless. I don't feel bad about it anymore. Moreover, nobody even cares. Like when I did the experiment going out a full day with my hands out, nobody was even looking at me. If for anything, I got compliments and people were like, oh, I like your dress, I love how you look, you have this rich auntie vibe. So it's all in your head. If you want to rock that short and you have the biggest thighs, wear it, baby. If you want to wear that top and your stomach is big, please flaunt it, baby. Just know how to make it work for your body type, okay? And love yourself. Your confidence is what shines through. Nobody is looking at you and saying, oh, she looks very horrible. By the time your confidence enters the room before you, nobody has the impetus or the right or the mind to tell you anything otherwise. Okay, if you love it, please wear it and rock the hell out of it, because I've mentioned earlier, this life is just one and we have to live our best life possible, and just love it every day as it comes. All right, I hope I made sense, because I know I did. The eighth and final point for me in this video is choosing the right silhouette and fabric for your body type. For my body type, I like to align towards more bandage type of dresses, towards more structure type of dresses, because I have hips and my stomach is not so big, so I can actually rock all of that. So like this is kind of mirroring the point I made about dressing for your body type, but this has to do with fabrics and the silhouette. And for me, I also like fabrics that have stretch to them, because I like it holding me together. Any fabric that has stretch is for me. Any fabrics that flows on my body like chiffon and cotton is for me as well. Those are the fabrics I lean towards. And when I'm shopping, I always like to see the description of the fabric, which is a pointer for those who are new to shopping online. Don't just buy it because you're looking at it from the model's how the model styled it. Look at the fabric, if it's something that will look good on you, if it's something that the weather in your country can tolerate. So those are the things I look out for in terms of fashion. Those are mistakes that you can avoid after you take my tips and tricks into consideration. All right, that's it with this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'm so glad I put it out here because I really wanted to do something like this since, but I was just second guessing. I'm like, would they like it, would they not like it? But I put out a poll on my community yesterday asking you if I should do more fashion videos, more vlogs, more fashion and vlog videos, more beauty videos. I even forgot to add more sit down videos, and I got so many DMs from people saying, oh, you forgot to add sit down videos. So this is more like an official announcement. I will be infusing more fashion videos, more vlogs, and more sit down videos, that's Q&As and stuff, on my channel, and we'll see how that goes, because fashion is something I'm very passionate about and I do it really well. I have heard that a lot of times, and I know, yes, I did really well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, and that will also let me know that you like videos like this, and I will continue putting it out here. All right, I love you guys so much and can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.